Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how to quickly find your computer or laptop's model number and additional specifications. And this can be really helpful if you are doing any kind of troubleshooting or plan on updating some components of your computer in the near future. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're going to do first is head on down here to the search bar and just go ahead and type in system information, and we'll go ahead and click that open. And what we see here is a lot of helpful information about our computer. I'm going to expand that and then slide this over so we can see it a little bit better. So first off, you can see we have our make and model of our laptop. I have an Acer Spin SP513-51, but we also have some other helpful information depending if you are doing some troubleshooting or updating, as I mentioned earlier. So you can see I'm running Microsoft Windows 10 Home Edition. Here's my version number. You can see it's a 64-bit system, and here's my processor, an Intel Core i5. And there's a lot of other helpful information here that can really be useful to have. So that's it, a quick and easy way to find your model number and a lot of other specs that are very helpful. Please let me know if you have any suggestions for additional content that you want to see. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.